Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shanmo here. More RC bashing in the reviews. Today in this video we are going to take a look at the newest from Highboxing 1/12 scale electric RC 4-wheel drive hobby grade vehicles. These two are Survivor MT monster truck and Survivor ST. Batteries are fully charged. I can't wait to get them dirty in the desert. Batteries are fully charged. I can't wait to bring them to the desert and get them dirty. But before that, let me give you a quick overview of the features of Survivor ST Truggy sitting right here. Starting with the stylish PVC shell with attractive color scheme, and all the stickers are already installed, so you do not have to do anything. Like the 1/18 scale series of Highboxing, where they gave you the stickers separately so you can customize the looks, on this one you cannot. Everything is pre-installed. But to me, this PVC shell is definitely very attractive color scheme and does look very stylish. But we are interested what is under the hood, so let me remove this PVC shell immediately and give you a quick looky inside. Once you remove the shell, you will immediately notice a complete redesign of the whole body and the chassis. The whole chassis is using classic ball bearing. Truggy is using an RC 390 brushed motor, though brush motors are old, but they are more efficient and provide you enough power and more drive time. There's also an anodized aluminum heat shrink installed that will keep your motor in working temperature while you drive. Servo is a 19-gram 5-wire high-speed steering servo that will give you a quick and precise steering control at all speeds. The Truggy is using a central drive shaft 4-wheel drive system with front and rear metal gear differential boxes. Also notice the front and rear independent suspension system on this Truggy, which will give you extra traction and better controls on all terrain at all speeds. Now, apart from this Truggy's totally new and redesigned chassis and body, the best feature of this buggy I haven't told you yet. It's not the 2.4 GHz radio system or proportional radio system that it uses. Best part, apart from all its cool, nice features, is the battery system or the batteries that this Truggy is using. This Truggy is using Li-ion 18650 batteries. 2 pieces, a pair of these batteries, and these are 1500 milliamp Li-ion 18650 series batteries. Good thing about these batteries is they are better. They supply better power, they last longer, that means more driving time, and of course they are available everywhere just for $10 or less. You can get yourself more batteries easily in every hardware store and power your Truggy with these batteries. So you can get a couple of pairs of these batteries really cheap and enjoy driving your Truggy for longer periods of time. Check. Ooh, the servo is really nice and fast, man. Check it out. Nice. Let me set the steering trim a little bit. Yeah, speed-wise, they are not going to be fast, because what can you expect from Li-ion battery-powered buggy or Truggy or RC vehicle? But let's expect the drivability and the fun that you can have with these. So if you want to see the full speed, here I come at full speed. That's the full speed. So, if you're a speed freak, not gonna have fun. But if you like to eat sand and have fun in sand, that's where it's amazingly nice. Awesome. Though I have to keep full throttle when it's up here, but it's doing very well. So far we didn't get stuck. steering response is amazing nice. I mean, this fast steering servo is doing very, very good job. That was the first jump. Nice. It is nice and fun car. Sweet. Well, there you go. There was a nice little jump that you wanted. Yeah, good enough. At least it's doing jumps. So dune scaling, I mean the side of the dune wall and scaling it, it's fun. Got it stuck. Making donuts in the sand is really fun. Good range, good fun little truggy, man. Though it's not fast, but it's fun. Alright, seems like I'm running out of power. It's getting slower and slower. Probably that's because the Li ions are like that. You cannot pump power out of them for a long time. So we will give it some rest and play with the MT, the monster truck. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?